now to take pictures. Watch out, Maggie.
Oh, it's a video. Yeah, move up. Ready?
Woo!
I look like I wear a saggy diaper. My It's video.
Wow.
Hey, we're gonna take video of
Wait,
like,
should I
Maggie.
let these out?
We do a car walk. Should do something cool.
I think if no, we're gonna get in the water. It's gonna be really cool. You first. Wait, why do you have your shoes down there? Are we sitting or walking in the water?
Just gonna sit.
Yeah, that looks a lot better. Don't get my other feet.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Your shoes fall in the water.
We don't want the dog there, so you have to go in the middle here.
Okay, you gotta be hurry because
Yeah,
I'm
you need to
freezing.
You gotta go in there.
Freezing.
Lee,
Go,
hold
go,
on.
If you
go,
come
Go.
from this side, you won't have the dock.
Go, Maggie.
Me?
Then I'm gonna stand there. I'm gonna torture the tall girl a little bit. And you and I, we're gonna look at each other's face and talk kind of
Okay.
like that. Here, and play the water.
Should I splash?
No. And it's freezing. So
It kind of feels good.
ah, I can't. I'm not get.
Oh. Watch me fall over.
Oh. You take video, pictures. Take pictures.
Go into the sunlight. Yes.
Take pictures in there.
Oh, my legs are really cold.
Do that again. For this one, you can start cropping here.
Well, it would be easier like to say like piece, you know.
Ooh.
But here, it's warm.
Oh, it is warm. I have an idea for a... Let's go down that way.
Yeah.
I'm not bringing my shoes. No, because of my feet. We'll have to pay for that.
Wow.
Yeah, standing there, looking down.
Is it a
Are
video?
you taking videos?
It is a video of.
Are you making fun?
Ooh. Really cold. Can't feel my feet. Okay, time to get out.
My prickly leg.
Torture the tall girl, she said.
It's supposed to go very low, Momo. And then you're supposed to follow me.
No, what?
So let me show you. No? You go.
Don't show my prickly leg.
Just go.
Okay.
Go. Kalau laki. Yes.